RDDT stock analysis and RDDT Reddit stock prediction. What I'm doing here is showing you my exact play with Reddit.com. 5.3% increase in price is solid, but not the best, if you know what I mean. My callouts have been so on point, and you cannot freaking tell me otherwise. Like, because look at this beauty. You're sitting at 109. I mean, this is more so the slower time frame. Look at the high time frame. The swing one, the big boss one. Could clearly see it was sitting at 109. Well, probably this is not even. Whatever. And since we're now here, the price is still pumping, that's for sure. But it will depend whether I really buy the bottom or not. And that will depend on whether the price gives me the rules. That will depend on whether the price gives me the rules. So that being said, if you want the free sauce, get the insights and all that, click the first link in the description. It's risk-free. Goodbye and enjoy.